Hello. Look at Mama, smile. Look at Mama Sarah, smile. Good job. Yeah, how much turn you get to do? Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. Sunny outside, and today is going to be a good day. You know why? Because the joy on my kids' face, nothing beats that in my heart. Today we are taking the kids to have some fun. It's all about the kids today. We're going all out for the kids this morning. Say good morning.
One. And the city that we're going to have fun
is...
Wait, first I'm going to give you a hint.
They have no idea. So how you gonna give them
if you watch the vlog, it's for the one that have memory.
For the one that have memory? Good morning.
If you watch the vlog of Mama,
don't touch.
then it was
Leave it.
somewhere that we had go on the road. I don't think Sarah was there. I think she was, maybe not. And there was trampoline. There was
Cannes-sur-Mer. That's the name of the city that we're in. I know. I know, Ty. Okay, get down and get down. You didn't see. Get down, come around and put on your shoes. Thank you. Thank you. Sarah enjoy feeding Papa and I and Tyler. Anyway, as I was saying, it's all about the kids today. We're taking the kids to Cannes-sur-Mer to have some fun. In the long stretch of the street, there will be multiple activities. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now. So we're all dressed, and of course Mel pack a whole bag of snack and food and lunch and stuff like that, and water, because when I'm hungry I'm very miserable. So I always make sure I walk with my lunch when I know that I'm going somewhere where I won't have fast food, and the restaurants will be jam-packed during lunch hour. So yeah, I have everything there. I'm about to munch on some watermelon for breakfast and make sure that I do a final check to see that I have everything before I leave this house. So stick and stay, enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys when we hit the road. Tell Phil, see you guys later.
See you later.
Come on. Woohoo! Hey, 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 hey. Continente! Wee, 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 wee. His ball gonna fall. Look how Tete ball gonna fall. Go Ty, go, go, go.
Et du rugby.
Bravo! Oh, good job, Ty.
Et toi, tu veux pas essayer? C'est même une fille, elles en sont, tu sais.
So you guys, I'm here editing, and I realized that I haven't told you guys that my friend Tashika is pregnant. She's been pregnant, almost time to drop. So I know for a long time. It's just that you guys, I don't know if you guys realize that every time I meet up with her, I haven't shown her. I'm sure some of you guys probably realize it, but yeah, now that you guys will be seeing her in this vlog, I'm just confirming that you guys are seeing well. My girl is pregnant with baby number 3, and I know you guys will be sending all the love, so thank you guys in advance, and I'll pass on all the love to Tashika. And if you guys wondering who Tashika is my St. Martin friend, who one of her one of her parents is Jamaican and she lives here in Nice. So yeah, there you guys go. The news is out. My girl is pregnant. We're having a baby. Alright, let's continue on with today's vlog. Sarah, you want to try? Sarah, you want to try?
Ah non, le stringy one, I know. Ah, use my one. Et toi, tu veux essayer?
You want to try? Go avec elle.
Look, Sarah.
Wow, Sarah!
Okay, baby, let me carry these two photos.
Okay.
Allez, viens.
Go, Sarah, go!
Allez, go. Hop, 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 hop. C'est bien. Super. Allez, viens.
Go, Sarah, go! Sarah, run, Sarah, run! Go, run, Sarah! Go, Sarah, run, 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 run! Yay!
Allez, maintenant tu refais. Tu me suis, regarde sur moi. Non, viens, viens, regarde, viens là. Regarde bien, hop, essayez.
Go, Sarah, run, run, run! Go touch the green. Go, 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 go!
Allez, tape dans le monsieur, tape. Pousse, pousse. Là, tu fais un gros câlin.
Merci beaucoup.
Up, Sarah, up! Hold his hand, Sarah. Hold his hand. Go.
Oui, tu vas le faire. Tu vas attendre, on attend que le monsieur.
Yes. Go, go. Up. Good, Sarah. Oui. Ça, c'est pour le bébé. Go with Papa Tai.
Ouais, allez, on saute. Allez, regarde, saute de là. On saute ici, comme ça, hop, et tu sautes. Non, mais pas dessus. On saute, allez, on saute, saute. Pas grave.
Go, Sarah, go, 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 go. Anela and Amor playing fencing.
They're playing Star Wars.
Ah.
Hein?
Tai, turn to play fencing.
Dans la tête, ça donne pas de points. C'est toujours
Wait. Yes, what you no kick, foot, hand.
Oh, bravo. Allez, encore. Allez. Wow. Voilà.
Merci. Tai doing basketball, Anela and Amori. Tai, you finished? Come, let's go find another one. Come on. Sarah made it in the bouncy. Look at her. She's jumping away. Jump, Sarah, jump.
Pardon.
Jump, princess. Jump, princess, jump, jump. Sarah, jump, jump. Sarah is having the time of her life. Look at her.
Yeah. It just stopped.
Sarah, wow. She's smiling. She go, don't touch your hat. Hold on, hold on. Wow, Sarah. She's so cute. Sarah, you having fun? You riding a pony? Say pony. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Hello. Look at Mama, smile. Look at Mama, Sarah, smile. Good job. It's been a long day, long lines. Sarah just did pony, Tyler did mini golf, which I didn't get to see. Hope you got footage? So maybe you guys get to see that, but I didn't get to see it.
Allez, montre-moi.
I'm gonna see if I find ice cream for them now, and then I go and eat lunch because I'm hungry. But they're having fun, so that's all that matters. You know the ice cream have to happen, right? Ice cream time.
Red fruit.
And to taste Mama on.
What is that? Pickle?
Yay! Wait, Sarah, walk on it. Good job. Follow Tai, jump, jump. Stand. Voila. Walk, walk. Tai, wait on her. Jump, Sarah, jump. Yay! Wait, do like Tai. Jump.
Oula.
Wait, Sarah, wait. Wait. Look at Tai.
Allongé, on va faire ceci. La tête là. Les jambes derrière là-bas au fond. Tu tends les bras. Et ça roule sur le côté.
Oui.
Allez, pareil, on essaye. Tends les bras devant. Mets les bras ici. Devant.
Come, hand out. Roll. Wait, Sarah, wait. Oh, give him your hand.
Wait 2 minutes. Hein.
Attends.
Allez, push. Super. Eh bien.
Allez, mets-toi debout.
Oh.
Qu'est-ce que c'est cette petite panthère? Allez, on saute, on saute bien sur les pieds. Eh bah super.
Yeah. Is it Tai? Jump, Sarah, jump. Let's go find Tai. Honey, come stay with Sarah. I'm going to find Tai. Jump, flick. You can flick. No? Like what the boy was doing, no? You afraid to try that? The flick. The flip. See Sarah there, look. Jump. Jump tie. Yeah, I guess it's safe to say this one has been Sarah's favorite so far. Look at her. And tie is here. They're having the time of their life. That's all that really matters. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. C'est fini. Come on, let's go. Tyler is in this line about to do this fireman course.
No?
Fireman obstacle course.
No?
It's his turn now. You guys will get to see all the things that he's gonna do. Plus vite, taille. Oh, oh, oh. Watch your head.
Allez, on traverse le banc. Ouais. Super.
Good time.
Allez, on va enjamber.
Oh, you took her.
Pose le mannequin sur la table et on court à l'arrivée et on a gagné.
Oui.
Bravo.
Merci. Tyler.
Voilà. Voilà, allez, super.
Push Ty, push, push Ty, push.
Non, Inès, on n'a pas fait. Elle fera après.
Poor Tyler. Il a done it already.
Mais Maïssa, oui, alors.
Continue Ty.
D'arrêter. Si quelqu'un entend qui dit d'arrêter, il faut lui dire, parce qu'il n'a pas entendu. Hein.
Allez, Anya là.
Tu l'as pas fait, toi? Non, il l'a pas encore. Allez, mets-toi derrière. Toi, tu l'as fait, toi.
Nyla, your turn.
Allez,
Go look for bees. Go look
Been a
for
long
it.
day, you can say.
Got back home and all I know is that I cook. I
Make you more tired than walk out.
He's taking over.
No?
Son?
Make you more tired than walk out.
Nah, son just beats you.
You take all of your energy.
What's that insect on the curtain? Go and kill it with the zap, honey. Insect on the curtain. The zap is in the drawer. You guys, like babe say, son beat us. Baby's red like a lobster. I'll show you guys later if we get to end the vlog. But right now, I'm in the kitchen. I got back home and I've been cooking. I have been literally smelling my mother's baked chicken for the entire week. My mom have a way of making, come for it. My mom have a way of making baked chicken that it tastes so delicious. I've been smelling it all week and I said, okay, I need to try and make it today. So I made baked chicken and I've been feeling for rice and peas, and I'm like, I didn't put any peas to soak, but I'm going home to cook rice and peas, and so I did. So I'm gonna show you guys what I made for dinner. So rice and peas look delicious. I'm ready for my belly. And the chicken is right there. And then I made a little bit of raw cabbage, which is right here. So that's dinner. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat soon. You're not hungry?
Yeah, I'm just looking at Sarah. They all have their specialty. Sarah, when he was young, Tyler, when he was young, he did things. Sarah she's she likes to share. For example, she always go for 2 grapes. She put one in her mouth. Every time she want one, she put one in her mouth and she take one and she put it in your mouth.
That's true. Tired is an understatement. 2 days of going non-stopping.
Walking. Today we walk like if it's a hike.
It's true.
We
The
walk
stretch of the
good
road
amount.
that the activities were on was long, and with 2 kids doing the activities,
It's like going to a Disney park or something like this. You go to one place, you wait 45 minutes and
in line. Oh yeah,
that
so
makes you on the sun. Look at my
it
color.
makes babies red. Babies
Red like
roast
a
like a
lobster.
lobster. Babe hand and his
They're
neck
kissing me.
and his face. He's so cute. What was I gonna say? But the kids had fun. They had a good time. I wouldn't
We're
trade.
satisfied, you know.
I wouldn't
Sometimes you go
trade letting
place.
my kids have fun for nothing.
You want to go do it again. If we had to do it again, we would do it again, and we
Easily.
will do it again next year.
Easily. As long as it's there each year, we normally go. The reason why we haven't gone is for the obvious reason, COVID for the past
And it
2
was
years.
closed, so even if you wanted to go, they
Yeah.
close it. So.
Yeah. So I'm tired. The 2 day has drained me completely. It is now 8:51, and to tell you guys the truth, I'm going to bed. I am trying to work, but it's not happening. My eyes are closing. I am tired. I have napped in the day, so I'm tired. I'm going to bed right now. Right now.
So if you like this love, give
If you like this love, that's
this
what you said.
love, this vlog.
Hey, if you like
Give this video a
love,
thumbs up. Don't forget to
subscribe. But babe, I
comment.
can feel the heat coming through
Yeah,
your
that's what I
hand.
say eventually. Like I'm going to shower just to cool down. It's just to cool down, because I feel the heat too.
It's so gross. Show them your hand.
My hand's fine. You don't see
No, it's
nothing.
not
Yeah, but
fine.
you don't see
Look,
nothing.
they
Yeah,
see
you
it
see
now.
that. You see that? I look like a biker. Baby.
Oh my gosh. Why you say baby?
Because I struggle to stay very long holding this camera.
Anyway, you guys, give this lobster looking face man a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for sure.
Tomorrow.